In this video, you're going to learn how to change background color of your image in minutes. First, you duplicate the layer, then you select the quick selection tool and select subject on the option toolbar. You allow Photoshop to make automatic selection of the subject. You then go to the adjustment tab down here and select solid color. You choose your preferred color. Let's use blue and click OK. Then you select the marks on the adjustment layer and press Ctrl I to invert the color. To change to another color, let's duplicate this layer with Ctrl J and click on the adjustment here to change the color like this. To change to other color, you follow the last step. This is how you change background color and make necessary adjustment. This is how you change the background color. You can watch these videos to learn more techniques in Photoshop. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.